Hi guys, it's your girl NesBerr X, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to melt your lace. So first thing first, I'm just gonna put a bit of edge control on my edges to slick them back. This is to protect my edges. Please wipe away any residue, gel or oil that's left on the skin. You're gonna pull the hair forward at the sides, making sure that it fit in your preference where you like it and all of that. Using the bold hole glue, this is actually my first time using it, and what can I say, we'll be using 3 layers. Make sure that it's dry. You're gonna wait for the glue to turn clear. Once it's clear, you can go ahead now and place your lace down. The lace is down. Don't forget to use your blow dryer, and this is where the melting comes in. What you're going to do, you're going to pull the lace, place it in line with the glue, use your finger or your comb, whatever you would like, just press in the lace. Using a eyebrow razor to cut off the lace. Please don't cut it straight across, because if you do, it will look too wiggy, okay? And you don't want that. So this is what we will be doing. Continue to cut on the opposite side in a zigzag motion. We're going for a natural look, using the scissors just to get the extra bits of the lace off. Now, using an elastic band, just gonna tie your wig down. guys see this wig, can you see it? Because girl, this wig is looking like a lace. No, it's actually looking like my hair. Look at that. Just look at that. What lace? What lace? Now we'll be going in with the Chrissyberr wax stick. This is just to help keeping the flyaways slick down. Slick down. Oh, girl. That is my hair though. Using the hot comb just to flatten down the hair. So I'm going for like a side part. So this is what I'm doing right now. We can see that there's a little bit of brownness on the hair due to the bleach, but we can't fix that. Going in with my styling foam, placing that all over my hair to bring back them curls back to life. Use as much as you like. Water, all of that. Still going in with my wax stick, because I would like the side of my hair to slick down, because that's the look I'm going for. Can you just look at that? Can you guys just look at my hair? So going in with the water, spraying it all over my hair. Do finger combing, so I'm just gonna run my fingers through it. Using a bit of concealer, going in with a bit of mascara to go over all the brown streaks, patches off my hair. I'm loving the way my hair is looking. The curls are popping, my edges are laid, my lace melted. If you would like, it's up to you. You can go in with a bit of foundation on the hairline, but I will leave it as it is. This this is the end of the video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.